House Whisperer.
Yes.
Can you help me find my lost ring? It's a really precious ring. And in March this year, I went to a party, came home, and since then, it has just disappeared.
The first question is, did you have a good time at the party?
Absolutely.
Excellent. And you came home and you put it somewhere?
Yeah, my memory is, I remember it was very cold. I was wearing a thick coat. And I came home and I did something not usual. Normally, I always put it back in the box like a rule.
Right.
But I didn't. I was tired. It was on a different floor. I think it was upstairs. I was downstairs, something like that. And now what? Where is it?
So you've looked everywhere, obvious. So we're not wasting our time. It's somewhere in this house. Yeah.
I believe so.
Okay. All right. So the first question we ask with dowsing is, do we have permission and is it appropriate to dowse for the ring? So that's a strong yes for me. Going in is my yes, going out is my no. So we have permission to dowse for the ring. Is the ring in this house? Yes, very strong yes. Is the ring in this living room? No. Is the ring in the hallway? Yes, so it's somewhere in the hallway. So let's use directionology and we ask the rod to point to where the ring is. So if you can bring the ring into your mind so that we have the energy of it in etheric space and it acts like a code, so we can link your vision in your mind to the actual physical location of the ring. Okay, so show me the location of the ring. So it's pointing to the hallway, so we're going in the right direction. So we're still going down the hallway. And now it's turning towards this cupboard here. So if we take that from the other end, just out of interest, show me the location of the ring. And so it's turning to this cupboard. So it's somewhere in this location. So have you checked all the cupboards and drawers?
Well, I thought I had, but still I cannot locate it.
Okay. So let's go neutral. Are we at this level? Show me the level of where the ring is. So as we go down, to save us opening every single box here, okay, it's getting warmer and it's down here somewhere. So it could be in the cupboard, but you know, if you dropped it, it could actually be underneath here. So let's have a look under the cupboard just in case it's fallen under the cupboard somehow. So if we take a look under here, and I see something shiny under here.
Really? What? No way. No way.
Is this it?
Yes! No way.
Is this a ring you lost
Yep.
6 months ago?
Yep. Oh my goodness, the
Look
House
at that.
Whisperer has done it again. I can't believe it. I'm
Really?
always losing things, so luckily having a House Whisperer for a father means I get to find my stuff.
There we go.
And so,
Look at
and
that.
so can you.
Isn't that
Wow.
beautiful?
Oh my god.
So there we go.
Oh,
There's your ring.
I'm reunited.
You're reunited with your ring.
Oh, that's
Well,
amazing.
so there we go. So dowsing can give you answers to yes and no for things, and for finding lost objects, we've just seen. So if you've lost something precious and you want help finding it, then contact me and let's see what we can do. I can work remotely, doesn't matter where you are in the world. I can help you find your lost precious item. Thank you for watching.